If a student really wants to take a focus and really wants to learn and kind of figure out what their future choice could look like, they have the ability to do that here.
It's a good time to be a teenager because of the amount of opportunities that are available to them in our local workforce.
Our students have told us that experiences matter. We can try to simulate the workforce the best we possibly can within our walls, but we do have to get them out and about and into our community.
I'm learning about how to set up a house. It's prepared me not just for my job, but to be a homeowner.
We're trying to bring our students along with those skills so that they do have that option of entering the workforce right after school.
I think businesses should know and accept the fact that we are doing almost identical work to what they are, and we can come out of high school ready to work for them.
Really, it's encouraging to see the interest in hands-on learning.
With these classes and how realistic they are to like real life jobs, I think you can definitely get a good idea of what you'd want for your career.
If you like hands-on classes and like working with stuff, it'd be a great opportunity.
I think the vision going forward is to continue to align with our industry partners and make sure that the high school programs are an extension of the community, right? And so that what we're teaching here benefits our students, but also our business community.
I decided to go straight into the workforce because it makes it so I don't have any student debt. I chose this career at Colby & Colby because it opens up a lot of doors for me, and I chose electrical mechanical because it opens up different opportunities.
The work ethic that these classes teach you, just because you gotta stay on top of your stuff and work with others, you learn how to work with other people when you're in groups, and that's something that you definitely would need in the workforce.
We're the future, and if, for example, you don't take a chance on us all the time, you might be missing out.
Our students, if you build the environment and support them along the way, then get out of their way, because trust me, they're going to surprise you. They're going to amaze you at what they come up with their different ideas. Our future does look bright with our students.